Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Backpacking. I'm Mackenzie Nelson, and welcome to the country Albania. I have been in Albania for about a week and a half, maybe a little bit more, just in the south regions. I've only gone to Berat Castle and Hamara, or Hamare, but I'm headed from Hamare to Vlora and then to Berat today. That's what I'm doing in this red bus behind me now. We just stopped off at like a little convenience store just to go for a potty break, get a coffee or something like that, but headed to Vlora now. Hopefully it'll be easy transfer, but getting another bus to Berat, and then I'll make it to Berat today and then explore that cute little UNESCO World Heritage Site. I've heard amazing things, and so I can't wait to get there. I'm really sad to leave Hamare, but I'm excited for the future. I think the rest of Albania was awaiting me. I stayed in Hamara for a week. I could have stayed a lot longer. I loved it. So I've just arrived in Berat, and it is quite cute already. Super cute, kind of reminds me of Berat Castle with all the stone and the cobblestone streets. I paid for a 500 lek taxi to get here because it was a 40-minute walk from the bus station. That would have taken the rest of my day. But it's really funny how the bus all the way from Vlora could be 500 lek, and then taxi just from the bus station could also be 500 lek. That doesn't make sense. I'm hearing thunderstorms, so I really hope the weather stays okay, but it's quite gloomy out today. It was just trying to meet around the hostel, and now it started to rain. No! Just when I got here. Oh no! They have multiple tours and stuff, as well as a family dinner tonight, so I gotta figure out what I want to do. So it rained really hard for probably a straight hour, really, really hard. But honestly, I'm not too mad about it because it's made it's just so much cooler now. It's been so hot since I've gotten to Greece, and especially in Albania, so hot. So it just totally cooled down everything for the evening, and I'm actually really liking it. And it smells like fresh rain, and there's pine trees around this town. It's so cute. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna go take a walk, go explore some more, maybe get some food. There is a hostel dinner, but not until 8:30, and it's 5 o'clock now, and I'm pretty hungry, so maybe I get a snack and then join that later, or maybe I just get food out. But yeah, I'm just gonna go explore the town, the two old towns on both sides of the river. I think this town is called Town of 1,000 Windows, and I see why. All the houses have 1,000 windows. You see that teddy bear right there? It's in the window. It's so small. So I heard about these teddy bears all over Albania, and I haven't seen it until now, and it's just plastered in this window. And I was told that the teddy bears are supposed to be kind of a distraction. So you see the teddy bear, but you don't see how the house is unfinished, and you question the teddy bear, but you don't see the rest of the house. And so now I'm taking an extra look at the rest of the house, and it looks fine, but it is unfinished. So they kind of use the teddy bear on a pole or on a stick or in the window like that as a distraction. That's so funny. It's definitely unique. Can I get one of these? Okay. It's meat?
Meat.
Yeah. Can you just yeah, please. Thank you. Cheers. Thanks. I just got a meat barek from some bakery I found on the other side of the bridge, and it was only 80 lek, which is like 80 cents. These are literally my favorite snack, my favorite food ever. I want to say I discovered them in Serbia 2 years ago. Berat. They're called berat. And they have meat, spinach, cheese. They're just so good. New town and the whole river. Nice. I'm from the US. Yeah.
I'm from the Castle of Berat.
Ah. Good morning, everybody. We have just signed on to do a cooking class today in Albania. We're going to cook a lot of like Albanian food. I don't actually know what's on the menu today, but we signed up on Get Your Guide. We actually found the cooking class on Get Your Guide, but you could sign up like in the center. There's kind of a few different like tour agencies, and I feel like you could sign up in person there. But it's with this family who lives in the castle of Berat, which is like really cool. So they've driven us up to the castle in Berat, and it's just the two of us, me and Penny, who I met in Hamara, but also she was traveling to Berat as well. So it's just us. Just the two of us and the chef, and so it's quite like a cute little personal, I think, cooking class, which would be great. And we started off with some Rocky, just to let you know it is 11 a.m. I guess we start the cooking class with Rocky.
Cheers, we say Gazuar.
Gazuar!
Small. Shiko, do t'i heqin bishtin patërgjani?
Small. Oh.
Yes.
I will put this. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, it's gonna be a passive thing. Just more into the first things up. Just the aubergine in the pan. So up like this.
Yes.
Just frying up the aubergine, sauteing, and then we bake it all. Right? Is that what I gathered?
Two small ones, like this. Yes.
We got some veal meat and some eggs
Small,
here.
ne? Pin.
Okay, small.
Small.
Chop it small.
Yeah. Everything chopped and
Dill
small.
and parsley. And here we're making the meatballs, right? You want?
Yeah.
Sure.
Small.
Is it good
Okay.
here, this distance? Is okay?
That's good, yeah.
Small.
Fine.
This is the phrase for today. Small.
Yes, the key word.
So we're just chopping up some parsley, some dill
Yeah.
into the veal. And then I'm guessing we're gonna put the egg in to make the meatballs. And the meatballs, what are they called?
Chofte.
Chofte.
Can you imagine if I did that? My hand's getting frozen.
Ja, do ta bësh kështu në dorë, do ta rrotullosh.
Okay, right.
Pres. Jo, shumë mirë. Jo, shumë mirë.
Press.
Pam.
It looks beautiful. I agree.
Hey, it's good.
Okay.
Good job.
Amazing chick there.
This side?
Fire.
So it's funny that they call them meatballs, but they're called meat patties.
Yeah, but don't demand so much. Oh.
The tomato, the onion, garlic, and pepper. We got the egg, and then the ricotta, and the butter. We're adding some ricotta cheese
Press and mix.
into tomato sauce. Yum! And we got our meatballs frying here. Well, meatballs, but they're more like meat patties. Yummy.
Fast, eh? Fast! Bravo! Fast! Bravo! Fast, fast, fast! Fast, fast, fast!
Wow, those look good. Nice and crispy. Alright, it's bon appetit time. Awesome. So we got our meatballs, the forgets, and then some bread and the aubergines coming out of the oven. Thank you. Cheers. How do you say cheers again? Cheers. Gazua. Gazua. Yeah, I really like the homemade wine here. Yeah. It's so good, yeah. So as well, if you don't want to do the whole cooking class, but I advise you do because it's nice. This is also a restaurant, so they can make you the homemade food as well. It's called Vasily. Here, I'll show you the sign. This is the sign here. Very nice. With a nice view up in the castle. Falamendere shum. Shum falamendere. Falamendere shum. Falamendere shum. Shum shum shum.
Faleminderit shumë ju.
Have a lovely siesta. Yes, siesta.
Albania, 2 hours, yes.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
So sweet. They were just like the loveliest couple, and then the neighbor just lived right next door who was translating and sitting with us during our meal. Just the sweetest, seriously. But now it's time to explore the castle since we're up here on the hill. Got a free ride up the hill. So now we get to walk around the castle, maybe go to the museum or the lookout spot. We'll see. This is so peaceful and nice. Little birds chirping and the flowers. I didn't know that it was a huge community, like restaurants and everything up here on the castle. Very different than the castle I saw in Castle, which is more like a museum. And then the castle in Hamare was more like ruins. That this one is like a whole community that lives up here. They said 200 to 300 people live up here in the castle, which is pretty impressive. What is this? What do you think? Just a little tunnelway, huh?
Oh, this. Oh,
Oh.
Is this where they ambush people?
Yeah, this is where they ambush people. Plums, yeah, apricots, some. What is this? Plums as well. Okay, like a golden plum. Some figs. Oh, so good, yeah. Wow. That's awesome. Look at that view. From the flag point, you get a whole view. Because we were just saying how slippery like the stones are and like coming down all the stairs. They were quite slippery, and we both have like sandals on. I have my Birks, but she just has like some flip-flops, like thongs on. And we were just saying how slippery the stairs are. And I turn around and she's falling down the stairs. And she landed right on top of the leftovers from our lunch. Oh, but that was really funny. And she just bought those figs and they kind of rolled, but this sweet guy washed the figs off for her, but a little squished, a little demented the boxes now. That was just a really good laugh though. They're all saying Oppa.
Opa, right?
Oppa.
Opa.
We just came to like a rooftop bar called, I think it's called Auntie Joni. It was recommended by the hostel for food, but we are quite full still from lunch from our cooking class, so we just wanted to come get like a drink or a soda or something with a nice view. And I think we found a nice view. It's quite private up here too, and I think we'll stay for sunset because the sun is just going to set right behind us here. but just have a really nice view across the river because last night we had a nice view of this side of the river. So, best of both worlds here. I just got a red wine. It's 250 lek, and her Coke was 200 lek. But not a bad view for that price. Not a bad price at all either, I think. This is the nice little terrace. So we were actually up there yesterday. Can you see it? And then we were up there today. So this is where we went to Joni. Yeah, very nice. Just right across the way from the main bridge is the Antijoni. So I actually know that there's quite a few like wine tours or like vineyard tours that you could do from Berat, but I didn't get to them because we did our cooking class today. But you could also, there's a few like tapas bars or like wine bars that you could go to do a few tastings. But I just thought I had a white earlier at the cooking class, so I had a red there. It was very nice. I like the wine here, gotta say. It's just so sweet here. I love it. It's a couple dorm rooms. The bathrooms are just here with the bathrooms and showers, and then there's a cute terrace out here as well. Hi! Beautiful view. Yeah, it's got a simple shower there, and then the bathrooms just here. Yeah, I'll show you our dorm room. The dorm. You just got, this is like a nice big bed, like it's bigger than a normal twin size bed, and then we got some lockers here. I'm number 2, and then you get your own outlet and your own light, so quite nice. And then there's actually a really good view of the town as well. Yeah, I like this hostel, but it's quite quiet. Like there's not many people here. I think most people stay at Maya Hostel or Berat Backpackers Hostel, but I think they're all 3 owned by the same person because they're like right down the street and they all do their tours and the family dinners together. But those 2 were booked out, so I booked this one. But still really nice. Hostel dinner in its finest. We got some protein chocolate pudding, some random flax seeds that were just in the hostel for some fiber, and a fruit salad. We got some fig, some blackberry, and some cherries, and water. This is our dinner.